Consumers seek the latest smartphones, driving a trend of selling or trading old devices. To protect privacy and boost phone speed, efficiently erase content and settings on iOS devices using these 4 methods. Part 1. How to erase all content and settings from iPhone directly. Step 1. Turn on your iPhone and go to Tap on Settings, General Reset. Erase all content and settings. Step 2. Tap Erase iPhone. Confirm, enter passcode, Apple ID to disable Activate Lock, and remove from Find My iPhone. Part 2. How to erase an iPhone or iPad or iPod with Apple ID using iTunes. Step 1. Turn off Find My iPhone in Settings iCloud. Step 2. Open iTunes, connect your iPhone, and select Trust the computer on your iPhone. Step 3. In iTunes, choose your iPhone, then click Summary Restore iPhone. Part 3. How to erase iPhone without Apple ID using iTunes. Open iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone via USB. Enter recovery mode by pressing specific buttons. Click OK in the iTunes pop-up. In iTunes, go to Summary and choose Restore iPhone. Part 4. Erase iPhone data permanently without iTunes or Apple ID. iPhone Data Eraser is regarded as one of the best tools for completely deleting and overwriting iPhone original content and making it permanently deleted with zero recovery possibility. Steps to erase iPhone data permanently with iPhone Data Eraser. Install and launch iPhone data erasing software on your computer. Connect your iOS device via USB, ensuring trust. Select Erase Private Data for scanning. Choose File Types for deletion. Click Erase Now to start the process.